Hello everyone, it's Jem from MPX Auto. How are you? We would like to share the work that we finished in the Isuzu Dmax 2017. Okay, 2017, and this one already show up in some other video that we got, which actually to show how to remove the head unit. And now we already finished the job with the 9-inch premium setup. And this one is a bit of special because we already did upgrade the whole setup from the front to the rear. What does it mean? We upgrade the 9-inch setup here with the same factory looking, so it makes the system looks beautifully into the dash and like it was born with the car. Okay, and color matching, shape matching, and beautifully done, and connect to the car very well. So the steering wheel control connect nicely, all the function here connect, and also the camera, we actually upgrade the camera. So we replaced the factory camera with our new FHD anti-glare super night vision camera, and you can see it is here. Okay, so the new camera stay in the same place, looks like factory fit. Okay, and it looks beautiful in the night time. It looks so clear, and that's the camera that we normally use in our system. And also we fit the system here with the built-in digital radio setup, and we fit with 3 USB port which actually stay inside the glove box. This is the custom build system, so it had 3 USB port, plenty of option to go with the extra USB accessories. And we also have this one premium setup, so actually the head unit here has a very strong built-in digital sound processor amplifier, and currently it boosts up the sound from the car very nice. So overall it is a very satisfied system for us, and also it will soon be collected by the owner and will make them very happy. So yep, just have a look here. We have the wireless Android Auto, wireless Apple Carplay running in this system, and currently it is on wireless Android Auto, and it will be the same as wireless Apple Carplay. So you see that we are trying to use the GPS system, and it respond really quick and really smooth, and so on with the Spotify as well. So let's have a look here. So when we reverse the car, you see that is night time. Okay, and it is in the night time at the back end, but the camera is super clear. It helps you to see the thing at the back end like this, which actually the factory camera couldn't do anything like this. And it quickly come back to the previous wireless Android Auto screen or Apple CarPlay if you have Apple phone. So yeah, it works like this, and very simple, instantly. Okay, so 9-inch wireless Apple CarPlay Android Auto premium setup with digital radio for the Isuzu Dmax 2017, and we will do another video soon for the digital radio built inside system. So please watch another video. Thank you, and see you then.